Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel Diryanka Talkies and welcome to my Diwali series the Divalog 2020. So, a few days back I had posted on Instagram that if you guys would like if I review some affordable skincare brands, and I told you guys to even suggest me some good affordable skincare brands and makeup brands that you guys want me to review, and to my surprise so many of you actually replied back to that post. So each month I'm going to review two skincare brands and one makeup brand that I think is affordable and good and that is going to be helpful for you guys. So yeah, I'm starting with Biotique that I actually posted about, and today I'm going to review products from Biotique. I'm going to talk both about products that I love and products that didn't really work for me that much. The very first product that comes to my mind whenever I think of Biotique is their Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Moisturizer. This is the pack. I use this moisturizer all year round. This is my go-to moisturizer. I swear by this moisturizer. I have shown this moisturizer in so many of my videos. I just love this moisturizer. This works magical for me. Just to remember, Biotique products are organically pure and preservative free, dermatologically tested for safety, no animal testing, and if you buy any product from Biotique, it will be written over here so you can check it for yourself. This is what the brand claims. And the ingredients are gehu seed 5.0%, kumari leaf pulp 4.5%, madhu 4.0%, badam seed oil 3.0%, mungfali seed oil 3.0%, Kusumbi seed oil 0.5%, and purified water. So everything is so natural. There is basically no chemical in it, and I just feel this is amazing for the product. I mean, for the price that we are getting. Now the moisturizer retails for 199 rupees, and for 199 rupees you're getting 120 ml of product that is going to last for a really long time, 2-3 months. This is going to last easily, and you just need to take a very small amount, a very small dollop. The next favorite product of mine has to be the Biotique Biochlorophyll. I mean, this is a lifesaver for me. Trust me, this is a lifesaver because I'm a person who is allergic to so many things, and I tend to get rashes from everything and anything, like from dust and so many things, from sun, dust and whatnot. Now this is oil-free anti-acne gel and post-hair removal soother. So I use this all year round. I'm a very, rash prone person, and this has been a lifesaver throughout. I just can't stay without this product. This is a compulsory product for me. This is so good. Now, how I use this biochlorophyll gel is I use it after taking a bath. I apply it all over my face, and even after I shave my face. And also, now let's talk about the price. This is also for 199 rupees, and you get 50 grams of product that is going to last you for 2 months at least. And you just don't need to apply much of it. These are like good products, and you just need to apply a very small amount to get good results. Skincare is a ritual. You need to be consistent with it. Only then you're going to see good results. Okay, these are like natural Ayurvedic products. This take time to show results. This really take their own time to show results, but once your skin gets used to these products and once the results show up, they're going to last a long way. Now if you turn this product down, you can see the ingredients written over here. The ingredients are Chinai Ghar Squat, 1.5% Kuda bark, 2.0% Grit Kumari gel, 2.0% Kikar gum, 2.0% Samudri kai gel, 10.0% purified water. Now, if you guys know Samudri kai, that is, I think, water algae or sea algae or something like this, seaweed or sea algae, and this has got that really oceany and aqua kind of a feeling that I was talking about. Very cool sensation, a slight bit minty, and that very aqua kind of a thing. I think that is this Samudri kai is the reason for that. I mean, this feels divine when I apply this. I personally love this product. The third product that I'm going to review is the Biotique Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. Is it visible? I don't know, for the lighting, products really don't seem to be that visible, but I'll put up pictures over here so that you guys can see it and recognize them when you buy them. Yep, and I'll link everything down in the description box so that you guys can buy them. So moving on to the review of the product. Well, this product is frequently used by my mom. My mom is the person who actually uses this product because I don't really have dark circles or anything like that. I sometimes use this product when I feel that I have puffy eyes and I really need to soothe down my eyes or this area just surrounding my eyes. Then I use this and this really gives me relief. This is very cooling. This has got bio seaweed. I told you, seaweed and stuff like that, they actually provide with very cooling sensation, and this reduces the puffiness. And for people who have really dark circles, really bad dark circles, in fact, this is going to work. These products are Ayurvedic products, so they don't show up results within a month or so. They take time. They take 2 to 3 months or even 4 months or so for people depending on the skin type. But you should use these products for a pretty good time so that you can see effects, and these effects are really long lasting. My mom has been using this product for quite a bit of time now. I think for 1 year she is using this product, and I have seen a very good change in her. Like, just like any other product from Biotique, this is only for 199 rupees, but compared to other products, the amount you get is a bit less. This is just 15 ml of product, but it may be because the ingredients used in this product are expensive. That's why you're getting just 15 ml, and this really works. The fourth product that I have is Biotique Bio Dandelion Visibly Ageless Serum for all skin types. Visibly repairs and rebalances skin. Now, this serum really worked good for my mom's skin, and I have seen the live results of this serum. If anybody is like having issues of wrinkles or tired skin and they have really oily skin, then I would suggest that you guys can use this. I mean, this is not the best serum that I have used or seen, but this is a good serum. Just take a very small amount because this serum has the tendency to, dry out your skin if you take much of it. I haven't used this serum much because at first I didn't know how to use it. I used to take unnecessary amount of product and used to apply it on my face. This was way back 2 years back, and that is the reason that I never used this serum again, because this actually dried out my skin real bad. Price of this serum is 175 rupees in purple. Next product that I'm going to talk about is a very good scrub, a very good exfoliator, that is the Bio Papaya Exfoliating Scrub. It is a tan removal scrub, and it can be used as a face pack as well as a scrub. Right now I do not have the product with me because I haven't been using that product for 3-4 months now, because I have been trying out different new skincare so that I can review for you guys. But I did got the ingredients with me in my phone. I do have them. So the ingredients of the Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub is papita, khajur, kela, methi, yasad bhasam, beeswax, gun acacia, Himalayan water, mungfali, aam beej, ban haldi. I hope ban haldi and all you can understand that this is wild haldi and all. I'm just a bit skeptical about the Himalayan water thing, and I'll talk about it in a bit. But other than that, everything is so natural and so good for the skin. And why I say that you can use it as a face pack and as a scrub. I wish I could show you the texture, but it is a very thick textured product, okay? Just take a very small amount of it, put 2 to 3 drops of water and just mix it so that it becomes a bit thinner, and apply it all over your face. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then exfoliate your face, scrub your face, and you're good to go. It's 2-in-1 product. At least for me, that is how I used to use it, and that it is a beautiful tan removal product. It removes your tan beautifully. It is a very good product to invest on. It is within the 250 rupees range only. It is a very affordable, good face pack as well as a exfoliator. It is very good product. I have tried it and you guys can also try it as well. Now I'm going to talk about products that I feel are a bit questionable, okay? Like every brand has got good products. There are some products that are questionable products because of their ingredients. Biotique as a brand, I love it, but then there is certain things that I really think that consumers, because we are paying for a product, we should question the brands. The very first questionable ingredient wala product that comes to my mind when I think of Biotique is the pore tightening toner with Himalayan water. No, I'm a bit skeptical about the Himalayan water thing. The toner in itself is a very good toner. It moisturizes your skin for a pretty good amount of time. It keeps your skin moisturized, and if you use it consistently, then you're going to see good results. It actually minimizes your pore. The product is very good, but then the ingredient Himalayan water, I really have a question, like what is really Himalayan water? Water having more minerals or mountain water? I don't really understand this Himalayan water stuff. That is why I would like to question the brand. Now I'm going to take your leave. I'll see you guys pretty soon with very exciting videos, and I promise they're going to be pretty exciting, which I've already filmed and I'm going to upload pretty soon. So yeah, keep watching and keep loving me, and please subscribe guys, help your girl grow. And yeah, my socials will be linked down so that you guys can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I'll see you guys soon. That is just tomorrow. If you're watching this video any day or today, whatever, then you will see the next video tomorrow. That is just after the day that I upload this video, because I'm going to upload every day till Diwali. So yeah.